Today we're turning breakfast favorites into a hearty, satisfying salad, bacon, egg, and hash brown salad. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need: bacon, eggs, hash browns, greens, tomatoes, and a simple mustard vinaigrette. All ingredients and cooking directions are in the description below. Heat a skillet over medium, add bacon strips, and cook until crisp, about 5 to 7 minutes. Transfer to paper towels, then chop into bite-sized pieces. Bring a pot of water to a gentle boil. Gently lower in 2 eggs and cook for 6 minutes for jammy yolks. Immediately transfer to ice water, peel, and halve. In the same skillet, add 1 cup of frozen hash browns with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Press down lightly and cook for 4 minutes per side until golden and crispy. Season with a pinch of salt, then set aside. In a bowl, whisk 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt and pepper until emulsified. Start with 4 cups of mixed greens. Add halved cherry tomatoes, bacon pieces, and hash brown chunks. Drizzle the vinaigrette, toss to coat, then top with your halved soft-boiled eggs. Look at those colors and textures: bacon, egg, and hash browns all in one bowl, breakfast and lunch united. Give this bacon, egg, and hash brown salad a try and let us know how you customize it. Subscribe for more quick, delicious recipes.